Hello, my friend. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you're enjoying your time this time of the year. Today in this video, I will show you how I turned the cereal box into Santa sleigh decoration piece. It's so easy and very good decoration for the house. I love ideas with recycling. I love to think outside of the box and get new ideas. So I use this cereal box, the bigger size, like it have two inside it. Like if you can't find the bigger size, you can use two together, and after you cut them to look like a sleigh shape, like you see me doing it, just glue both of them together. But if you can get the bigger one, so just use one of them. After I cut it, I choose to color it with the red color from this brand. And then I thought maybe if I put I could have put glitter on it, but then I said let's not put it make it glittery. And so I got the cardboard from Dollar Tree, the red color, and then I began to glue it each way. And then I used Mud Podge for the best way, because the hot glue was making some bumps. And then I got this glittery garland from Dollar Tree. It's like the ribbon one, and but this one is having like beads in it. And I begin to glue it on each side to make it have a little bit festive look, and give it uh, like elevated to a more best look. And of course it was wider, so I begin to cut smaller pieces, or to make it works the best with the shape that I made. For this part you have to cut piece by piece, because this kind of garland ribbon is not easy to swirl around, so you have to do it piece by piece. It's easy idea. I just came with it last year. I like to do it, and I wanted to show you how I did it. After you do all the sides with the glittery ribbon thingy, then you can use the box like that as the base for a small Christmas tree in your house. And I have this decoration as a farmhouse decoration. I made them before. You can find the ideas on my short videos, or on the other videos before. The ideas is endless. You just go with your inspiration. I'm showing you more than one idea that I made. So the first one was to put the tree on it. The second one, I'm going to make heights with this foam boards to elevate the height of it, so I can put some Christmas gift, or like fake ones, like the decoration ones that I made, just to make it look like the Santa sleigh full of gifts. Or you can just arrange it with some big Christmas ornaments bowl and Christmas tree. I showed you more than one idea, and at the end I go up with using gluing each one together as I decided how it looks. This is another way of me making bigger Christmas gift gift boxes. This was a box of a cheese that I like to get, so I used the red cardboard, and I glue it around it, and then I will decorate it. I can have more than one, so I try to change the decoration. So for the first one, I got it with this red cardboard, and then I will decorate it with the same glittery or shining rhinestone one from the Dollar Tree. like that. And the other one I liked it to use the red garland that you can find it at Walmart and Dollar Tree also. And the ideas is endless. You can also mod podge and use some glitter on it, any color you want, or you can just use regular paint for it. It's just the way you like it, you can do it. And you can use a piece of ribbons, cut them together and then hot glue them on it too. Any idea will work. It's like I did with the small gift boxes that I made. You can see them in shorts video. It's so easy to do. Like you just go around with any kind of decoration you have, like this garland or a piece of cardboard, a piece of ribbon like the burlap ribbon or any kind of ribbon. And you're gonna be able to have different sizes of gift boxes decoration, so you can have different arrangement around with the sleigh. Then I choose to make some ribbon with the piping, this piping tape, piping ones, just easier than using like the regular ribbons. Just I give it a look of festive look as decoration, and then at the same times it's faster. Like there is no faster than just piping to do ribbons or any decoration with. So just go with your inspiration, decorate it as you like, and then begin to arrange it on the sleighs that we made. Also, Dollar Tree have some sleigh. Every year they have the sleigh, the red one. But at this time, like I was trying to find a way that if people couldn't find it, if it's finished, or in another country, if where they can't find the sleigh, so they can go with recycling with any cereal box or any cartoon box. They can do cartoon. So I just elevated the height with foam board, and I will cover it with a piece of the red cardboard. Not every place it will be covered, because after that it's like you're gonna put all the, the gift boxes and it will not be shown any piece of it. So with the decoration, even if you have like little white spots showing on like that now, after you put the Christmas trees and the other decoration, you will not have any opening space to show. So now I'm choosing how I will put all the gifts that I have and how I like to decorate it. I use the hot glue for faster gluing, and it works very well with this one because it's the high temperature one, and also it stays in place with this as this way. And you just go with your inspiration. And also Dollar Tree have the mini tiny Christmas tree gifts as ornaments or as decoration. It's so small that you can also use some of them, but at this time last year I couldn't find them, so I didn't put any of them. So I go with DIY all of this Christmas gift boxes. So I hope you like the idea, and let me show you. You can arrange some more flower with it, make it look more festive. So go with Christmas flowers, like the white ones or the red one, or like anyone from Dollar Tree. It's just go with your arrangement and make it look festive and beautiful. You can add some Christmas ornament bowls or a Christmas tree. These were from Dollar Tree also. So just to go with whatever you have in hand at home. I was basically using what I have at home. I didn't like buy extra or buy specially stuff for this project. Like I just went to make it with all I have at home. Uh, this Christmas decoration, it have a second part, so I wanted to show you, but I want to tell you, so I'll wait for the next part. If I made both of them, it would be a bigger video, so I try to keep it as much as smaller as I can. Then in this part, I wanted to make the bottom part for the sleigh, so I got this candy cane that have the chocolate inside them. You can find them at Walmart, at Dollar Tree, any kind of store you want. I used the glitter silver ribbon, but then it finished and I couldn't find any more at Dollar Tree, so I had to go with the red garland that I have at home because it was a bigger amount and it worked well. So after I wrap it around it, now I will glue it to the bottom of this box that we made as a sleigh, so to make it look more as really as a Santa sleigh, with the bottom part that is having, you know, the edgy wedgy part like that. So I just after I did the red garland, then I will hot glue it after I try to look how is the best way to put it, like close to each other or far or in the middle. So after that, just hot glue them and it will be ready to go. And really the video can show you how much beautiful it is. All my friends are so thrilled and happy with this creation, and they want me to make one for them. So an easy way to recycle and to have fun, and you can have fun making some of the Christmas gifts with your kids, wrapping the candy cane with your kids. It's easy stuff that the kids can do with you, okay, especially away from the hot glue stuff. So you can, and this beads or decoration, it's from Dollar Tree too. It has sticky part, so you just take it and put it on the box. So I thought that a little bit of festive look will look more better, so I just begin to arrange it and did it like that. I hope you like my idea, and wait for me for the next part, because I will make a big sleigh where, yeah, I will make it with the reindeer. So please, if you like my ideas, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with your friend, and write me a comment with your opinion, and if you like any special ideas. And I hope all of you spending the best time with your family and enjoying the Christmas time and having a great day. Merry Christmas everyone, and Happy New Year. Bye bye.